In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Wix Payments account. Setting up payment processing is an essential step for anyone running an online store, and Wix makes it incredibly straightforward. Follow along, and soon you'll have everything ready to accept payments seamlessly. Let's start by navigating to Wix.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your site dashboard. From here, go to the Settings tab and look for the Accept Payments option. Clicking on it will get the process started. Under the Wix Payments section, you'll see a Setup button. Go ahead and click that. Now, it's time to enter your business information. First, you'll need to specify your business type. Whether you're operating as an individual, a sole proprietorship, or an established company, select the option that accurately describes your business. Next, fill in your business details, including your legal business name, address, phone number, and email address. It's important to ensure that all the information you provide is accurate. Any discrepancies here could delay your account verification. With your business information filled out, let's move on to provide your bank account details. This step is crucial as this is where your payments will be deposited. You'll need to provide your bank name, account number, and possibly your IBAN if you're in a country that uses it. Additionally, some regions will require a SWIFT or BASIC code. Again, double check that this information matches exactly with what's on your business documents. Mismatches can result in delays or even failed transactions. The next phase involves submitting identification documents. You'll need to upload a government-issued ID such as a passport for identity verification. To prove your address, a recent utility bill or bank statement will usually suffice. If you're registering as a company, you might also need to provide business registration or a tax ID. Ensure these documents are clear and legible, otherwise they might not be accepted during the verification process. Once your documents are uploaded, the final task is to agree to the Wix Payments Terms of Service. Take a moment to read through the terms, and when you're ready, accept them by clicking Submit. Congratulations, you've completed all the necessary steps. Wix will now review your information. Keep in mind that this can take between 1 to 3 business days. Once you get the green light from Wix, you'll be ready to start accepting payments seamlessly on your site. That's all for setting up your Wix Payments account. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and that you're excited about taking payments through your Wix store. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.